Okay, let's continue with the basics. In this lesson, we will look at how to create a basic function block. Let's start NxtStudio. Let's open the same project that we created by going to File, Recent Projects, and open up the first project that we created. Then we're going to expand this tree and go to Basic, right-click on it and say New Item. For this demo purpose, let's create a calculator. Very simple calculator. And when you first create it, it does come with the default interface. Now, if you're new to 614.99, let me give a brief introduction to a basic function block in 614.99. A basic function block is the most minimal level of execution or control. It has an input interface and it has an output interface. On each of the interfaces, you have some events and you have some data. Same thing on the output interface, you have some output events and output data. What is its main control and how do you define it? It's defined by a state machine. In 614.99 standard, it's called an execution control chart, in short ECC. Every ECC has a start state and it has many other states, and each of these states are associated with an action. An action is made up of two items: an algorithm that it executes and the output event that it emits when the algorithm execution is over. Can you add more algorithms? Yes, you can. You can add, delete, update algorithms in the Algorithms tab. So in basic function block, there are three main tabs. The interface tab, where you define your interface, that is event inputs, event outputs, input variables, and output variables. And of course, it can also have an internal variable that is used in the algorithms but not visible on the interface. The second tab is execution control chart. That's the state machine that defines the flow of your control logic. And the algorithms that are executed in the state is the third tab. Let's stop here, and in the next lesson we will continue with defining interface for the calculator basic function block.